In this video we are going to explore part splitting in intelligent framing in ZebraCut. Now I have here a number of parts which I wish to cut on my machine, which is this orange box here. If I preview this in ZebraCut, you will see that I get a number of frames. Now, one thing that's interesting about this framing allocation here is this triangle here. You'll see it's starting off with a very small piece of this triangle being cut on frame 2. And indeed it's splitting that triangle over 3 different frames, which means you've got 2 sets of framing joints, which may not be ideal. Now let us have a look in the framing options to see whether we can address this. Framing options are found by going to the job configuration and opening up the frame config. The option we're going to explore today is called the smallest slither percentage, which is a good tongue twister. Now what this relates to is the smallest percentage of a part which we would consider cutting on a frame. So what ZebraCut is doing is it's trying to do the most work possible on every single frame. So it's spotted that on frame 2 it can actually cut a piece of that triangle. Because it's more than 10% of the triangle which is being cut as part of frame 2. If I increase that percentage, let's say we put it up to 30%, we will see the effect of that when we do another preview. And you'll see it's now realized that in that case we will not cut part of the triangle on frame 2, and instead we'll wait to cut it all on frame 3, and therefore we only have one set of frame breaks on this triangle. So again, what you're trading there is essentially having fewer frame breaks on your parts. However, that will lead eventually to more frames across complex jobs. So there's always a trade-off with these things, but this is how you can control the smallest slither of your parts to be cut. Thank you very much.